The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gona City Police Department. At approximately 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports have come into the police that an unknown figure-looking creature is roaming around the city of Gona City and Guanama cities. The name of these creatures is unknown at this time. The creatures is having to be 5.5 feet tall and 1 foot wide. The creature has light skin, brown hair, brown eyes without shine, and was last seen wearing a red dress without shine, crimson short pants, dark red shoes, and a long maroon satin gloves. All residents of the city of Gona City are urged to remain indoors and windows. Tuned in for more update will be provided as it becomes available.
Shelter-in-place warning. The following is a shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gona City Police Department. This is an update to the previous local area emergency, which is issued 25 minutes ago. An unidentified figure was killed. 4 more people have been confirmed. Victim 1, named Molly Plant, a 19-year-old female. Victim 2, named Justin Iceman, a 23-year-old male. Victim 3, named Daniel Stephen, a 21-year-old male, and Victim 4, named Aviva Hogan, a 22-year-old female. In addition, it has been confirmed that some markings were found on their bodies, but police are found and being identified as coloring crimson. The markings are crimson texts right next to their side bodies, and which spit out this friend. Civil authorities has also identified as 21-year-old Angga Daffa, known as Princess Ruby 2002. This girl is extremely dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. All residents in the city of Gona City are urged to lock all doors and windows to protect Angga Daffa from breaking into your home. If Angga Daffa breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. Stay tuned to the station or media outlet for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Mandatory evacuation order for Gona City. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Valiant Federal Emergency Management Agency and Gona City Police Department. About 2 minutes ago, numerous reports of Princess Ruby 2002 have seen causing more chaos and mass destruction. Many buildings, vehicle, and objects is being destroyed as Princess Ruby 2002 continue to causing more and more chaos. Police are trying hard to get rid of Princess Ruby 2002, but that has been becoming hard to do so. All residents in the city of Gona City are urged to evacuate immediately. Please make sure to bring the necessary items such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, electronic devices, chargers, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Evacuate the area in a calm manner. If you don't plan to evacuate, you could be putting your life in extreme danger and it will result in certain death. Don't delay, evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
Oh, the door closes, starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Valiant Federal Emergency Management Agency. In about 10 minutes ago, numerous reports of Princess Ruby 2002 have been received in 13 states across the country, such as Guanamate Cities, Omega, Maxis, Iceman, Nautica, Mechanical, Numeracy, Dolphin, Voyage, Viriatic, Cavanu, Fresca, and Tessa. In addition, numerous reports of Princess Ruby 2002 used to be clones, causing more chaos in these states. Authorities is also reported that these markings are crimson, and which spit out the following, friend. It has been reported that Princess Ruby 2002 will take over throughout the nation in the next 3 hours. This is a catastrophic situation and should not be ignored. All residents in the mentioned states are urged to stay indoors and to lock all doors and windows. If you see Princess Ruby 2002, please do not attempt to approach him. Run away as fast as you can and don't turn back. If Princess Ruby 2002 breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. Tune in for more update will be provided on this extremely dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Republic of Guanamate. The President is unable to delivering a message, but has shared a later statement through the primary entry point system using the Federal Emergency Management Agency's OVCR system. This is a national emergency. Please do not turn off your television. It is important that you listen to announcement from the statement. My fellow viewers, as a precaution situation is declared. At 11:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, numerous reports of Princess Ruby 2002 is now throughout in the entire Republic of Guanamate. These figures are causing more and more chaos in across the entire Republic of Guanamate. Many figures is holding the red knife, killing many people in these states and causing nuclear explosions and across the nation. In addition, crimson markings are usually spelled, friend. Shortly after that, she opened her mouth, exposing himself, and attacked anyone. We are trying everything we can to get rid of Princess Ruby 2002 as we have our chance to do. All residents in the Republic of Golanimate are urged to the following instructions. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off any electronics such as computers and devices. Remain and stay calm and don't panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. Keep any firearms with you in case these figures may have chance to leaders of soul. For now, this ends my message. Good luck, and may God bless you all. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The all clear has been given. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Republic of Golanimate. Angga Daffa, known as Princess Ruby 2002, that have been decimating the Republic of Golanimate, has been taken down and vanished for good, without point of ever returning. But however, there is major damage to the local area, along with how many people died, injured, and homeless. The civil danger has expired, and it's now safe to leave their shelters. Once again, the civil danger has expired. You may now return you to regular programming.